As an administrator of your school's Moodle site, you need to know how to register users in Moodle. Okay, so let's log into our Moodle site. And once we're logged in, Moodle has a password policy that we need to adhere to. Okay, so let's look at the password policy. Okay, so here is Moodle's password policy, and you as an administrator can either enable it or disable it. But the password policy for this site is the password length must be 8 characters long. Okay, it says here the password must be at least 8 characters long. Okay, it should have 1 digit, 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, and 1 non-alphanumeric character. Okay, in order for us to set up a password in Moodle, we need to adhere to this password policy. Okay, so now let's click on Site Administration. We want to create a new user, so we'll click on Users. And under Accounts, let's click on Add New User. In the Add New User window, we need to complete the following fields. We need to give the user a username, leave it on manual accounts, leave both these boxes unchecked, and in the new password, let's click on the pencil icon and give the user a password. Okay. Please remember that the password policy is 8 characters long. Okay, and here I can force the user to change his or her password at the first login. Okay, complete the user's first name, his surname, and his email address. Okay, you'll see here these fields are required or compulsory. Okay, the city or the town the user is from, the country he or she is from, and then the server time zone. Okay, leave the other fields as is. We will complete it on a later stage. Click on Create User. And here you'll see this is the user that we have just created. Let's test the user's account. We log out. And we log back in with the user's credentials, the username and the password. And here you'll see the user has successfully logged in to the Moodle site. And that is how you create a user manually in Moodle. So let me create one more user account. So let's click on Site Administration. Click on Users. And under Accounts, click on Add New User. Let's complete the username field. Leave it on manual accounts. Leave these 2 boxes unchecked. Click on the pencil icon next to New Password. Give the user a password. We can leave this unchecked for now. Complete the first name and the surname. And the email address. Leave the other fields as is and click on Create User. Okay, and here you'll see the new user was created. So what if you have more than 20 users you need to register on your Moodle site? It will take forever to register them. So you can see that registering users manually is quite tedious. There is, however, a shorter way to register users, and I will demonstrate this in the next lesson